To add liquidity in Uniswap SDK setup, you need to understand the basics of Uniswap and liquidity provision. Uniswap is a decentralized exchange protocol that allows users to trade tokens and provide liquidity to the market. First, you need to set up a Uniswap SDK environment, which includes installing the necessary dependencies and importing the required modules. You will need to have a wallet provider and a JSON RPC provider to connect to the Ethereum network. Next, you need to create a new instance of the Uniswap SDK and connect to the Ethereum network. This involves specifying the chain ID, the JSON RPC provider, and the wallet provider. After setting up the Uniswap SDK, you can add liquidity to a trading pair. To do this, you need to specify the token addresses of the two tokens you want to provide liquidity for. You also need to specify the amount of each token you want to add as liquidity. You will then need to approve the Uniswap protocol to spend your tokens, and then call the add liquidity function. This function will create a new liquidity position and mint new liquidity tokens. Best practices for adding liquidity include diversifying your portfolio by providing liquidity to multiple trading pairs, monitoring the market and adjusting your liquidity positions accordingly, and being aware of the risks associated with providing liquidity, such as impermanent loss. In practical terms, adding liquidity to Uniswap can be done using the Uniswap SDK in a programming language like JavaScript. For example, you can use the Uniswap SDK to add liquidity to the ETH/USDT trading pair by specifying the token addresses and the amount of each token you want to add. It is also important to note that providing liquidity to Uniswap comes with risks, such as impermanent loss, which occurs when the price of one token in a trading pair changes significantly. To mitigate this risk, it is essential to monitor the market and adjust your liquidity positions accordingly. In conclusion, adding liquidity in Uniswap SDK setup involves setting up a Uniswap SDK environment, connecting to the Ethereum network, specifying the token addresses and amount of liquidity to add, approving the Uniswap protocol to spend your tokens, and calling the add liquidity function. By following these steps and best practices, you can successfully add liquidity to Uniswap and start earning trading fees.